Welcome back to Vehicles Point, your favorite spot for the latest updates on cars, bikes, and all kinds of vehicles. Today we're diving into one of the most awaited releases of the year, the new 2025 Mahindra car. Mahindra has always been known for building rugged, powerful vehicles that cater to Indian roads, and the 2025 model is no exception. So let's take a closer look at what this new beast has to offer. The 2025 Mahindra car brings a bold design that instantly grabs attention. It features a redesigned front grille with sharper headlamps and an overall muscular stance. The car looks more premium than ever before, with sleek body lines and the modern LED lighting system. Whether you're looking at it from the front or the back, it definitely stands out on the road. Under the hood, Mahindra offers both petrol and diesel engine options, with improved fuel efficiency and better performance than the previous models. You can expect a powerful yet smooth driving experience, ideal for both city traffic and highway cruising. There are also hybrid and electric variants expected to launch later in the year, showing Mahindra's step toward cleaner mobility. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mahindra is all about comfort and technology. The interior has been upgraded with premium materials, a large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, and advanced connectivity features. Plus, there's plenty of legroom and boot space, making it a solid choice for families as well. Safety has also been taken to the next level, with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, reverse parking camera, and lane assist features. Mahindra is aiming to not just offer performance but also peace of mind. Overall, the new 2025 Mahindra car combines modern looks, great features, and powerful performance. It's a perfect mix of style, technology, and durability, something Mahindra fans will surely appreciate. If you're planning to upgrade or buy your first car, this one should definitely be on your list. That's it for today's video on Vehicles Point. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest vehicles and launches. See you in the next video.